awareness to your heart. As you breathe out, feel that energy of your heart spiraling out through your chest, through your shoulders, like waves, like a drop in the water. The waves trickling down from your heart out through your chest, through your shoulders. Synchronize that movement with your breath out. Take a moment, bring awareness to your first center. Feel it balanced, spiraling, activated, with a gentle smile to it. Go to your second center. Feel it also spiraling with a gentle smile. As it naturally just takes course. Your third center. Feel a divine will in there, spiraling. The beautiful heart center. Sending the love to your friends, family, to your soul, to this planet, to the universe. Your throat center. Expanding the freedom of your communication. Space of effortless expression. Your sixth center. Your seventh center and sixth are actually part of one. Connection to the soul and the vision of the soul. Go to our eighth center. Center of the past. Feel it spiral and expand. Go to our ninth center. Center of the present moment. We go to our 10th center. Center of the future. We go to our 11th center. Feel that center spiraling. Center of timelessness. Go to our 12th center. The center of service, the center of connection to the universal light. expand the 12th center, and we invite our higher self through the 12th center, bringing the 12th center down through the 11th, down through the 10th, all the way down to the 9th, the 8th, the 7th, the 6th, 5th, and we bring the 12th center into the 4th center of the heart. Bringing the 12th center into the heart. Invoking your higher self, activating that beautiful crystalline light. Allow the higher self to spiral like the great sun spiraling. We ask the higher self to activate, to clear, heal, repair and reconnect, energize, crystallize the connection between our higher self and our crown chakra. Feel that tube of light being expanded, crystallized, as that tube of light continues down through all your chakra systems. From the 12th chakra all the way down to your root chakra. And all the way down into the earth. Now you should be able to see a tube of light penetrating through the center of your column, all the way down through your body, into your energy fields, and into the earth. Feel that tube of light with every breath expanding through your body. Breathing out slowly through the back of the neck. Beautiful. And whenever you're ready, you can come back to yourself.